Hello Gators, my name is Riley Owens and I'm a current student at UHD. I am majoring in PR Communications and Psychology, and today I'm here to talk to you about rule number 5, get spaced out from the A game. So, for those who have read the chapter, like Steven, I am a general psychology student and I have done my fair share of all-nighters. So today I'm here to show you a few tips and tricks that I have learned over the years to help improve with my studying in classes. As a college student, most of y'all will range in taking 4 to 5 classes a semester, which is the standard amount. If you take more or if you take less, good for you. Everybody moves at their own pace. Don't worry about other people because this isn't a race. At the end of the day, the objective is to obtain a degree. The more the semester moves on, the more workload you'll tend to receive from your classes. Sometimes it gets to the point where it seems like every other day you're taking a test, yet you don't know which class you should study for more, which causes you to end up pulling an all-nighter, hurting your chances on doing good on either of the tests. That is why I'm here, to show you how to get spaced out. I have come up with a method of studying that has helped my students when they feel like they're overwhelmed with their classes and they need a way to separate everything out. This also tends to help those who are also working while doing the semester. First, depending on how you're taking your classes, depends on how you're going to space out your schedule. You will want to put it in a 2x2 format or a 3x2 format, depending if you're taking 4 to 5 classes. If you have already taken 2 classes per day, then your spacing out will be easier than those who are taking all of their classes on one day. The way the schedule will work is for your Monday and Wednesday classes, you will study and work on those classes only on those 2 days. For your Tuesdays and Thursday classes, you will only focus on them. That way you can focus on one thing at a time and not be overwhelming yourself when trying to finish your course load. Now, for those who don't have their classes set up like that, I would suggest separating your classes by identifying which classes you felt have been easier and which classes of those you felt like have been more difficult. Then, by putting one easy class and one difficult class together so you can focus on one class more than the other if needed to be. During these 2 days, you need to section out a 2-hour gap specifically for studying time. 1 hour for each class to make sure you understand the new concepts that you learned that day in class. That way, you can get whatever work has been assigned done, and you can look over the PowerPoints and any extra reading that was given. For the rest of the week, I always advise my students to take Friday off, as it gives them one day during the week to relax and chill so they don't overheat. As for Saturday and Sunday, Saturday is the day to catch up on anything you didn't finish on your Monday, Wednesday schedule or your Tuesday, Thursday schedule. Say you didn't finish a paper. Well, Saturday is the day to do it. Say that you need to finish studying for a test. Saturday is your day to do it. Saturday is the day to finish any work or study you weren't able to complete during your allotted time. Now for Sunday, because you have been following your schedule, you should be done with everything needed for this week. All you should be doing is submitting any work that you haven't done so already, or doing a little once over before turning it in. Sunday is the day to look over anything that you have due for the upcoming week and plan out your schedule accordingly. To see if there's a test you need to study for, required reading you need to read before class, that is what Sunday's time is for. More of a relaxed day to get you ready for the upcoming week. I hope this works for you as it has worked for so many of my other students. Just remember, like the book says, all-nighters are more detrimental than helpful. This model is just a basis to help you. So, just remember, we're from the Gator Success Center, and we're working for your success.